upgraded my pots. These are made of stainless steel. I just want to have something that I could have for a very long time or forever. I got 3 of them. I have the big one, I have the saucepan, and somehow a wok. With the 3 that I've got here, I will be cooking them all the time. Kami ng asawa ko nagde-debate kung bakit ko siya binili. Why not lang daw yung mga non-stick? And I told him that with the right way, you can make it non-stick. I'm very sorry guys kung meron pa rin akong sipon ngayon. I think for the whole vlog. So magsimula tayo sa pinakamaliit. So this is a saucepan. And I bought this one primarily for John to cook his eggs. Oh my god, this is so cute! Ito yung kanyang cover. This is the pot itself. Oh my god, this is so good because it also has a labels where you can measure. First impression for this one, the feel is very premium. You have the Le Creuset at the front, which is on the cover. Also here the logo, and at the back, so this is the 1.9 liter and 16 cm. There you go. Nag-flare up yung aking ilong. The next one that I have here is yung shallow casserole brazier. Like I said to you, I'm going to use this one whenever I am cooking in a wok. Yung wok kasi nila, malaking malaki. Red pa naman yun, and I have all the casseroles that are color red. So match sana, but again, I didn't get that one because it's too big for my space and wala akong paglagyan. So I got this one. Ito na siya. I think this one has a 2 handle, which I am for. Kasi kung titingnan nyo sa first one na kinuha ko, this is just a 1 handle. And lahat ng weight mo, dito banda sa may handle nakalagay. I am okay to have this one kasi maliit lang naman siya and I could carry them. Pwede ko siyang hawakan ng isa lang. So this is okay for me. But with this size, I really have to carry it for 2 hand para masecure ko talaga siya. Sa shallow casserole na to, it has a logo. It also has a logo in both sides of the handle. And it doesn't have the measuring like the first one. The bottom is sort of like a mat. And for the last piece that I have, the third and the last one, this is a stock pot. And I don't know why they don't have the 30 cm like the second one that I've had here. This is only 28 cm with a 10.4 liter. Buksan natin siya. Wow! This one, it also has a measuring label. Like the second one that I've got, it has a 2 handle. This is very sturdy to handle. Ewan ko ba guys, bakit ako nahahappy sa mga ganitong bagay, which is very, very random lang. I think talaga, it really speaks to me na I really love my wife era. Again, this is a 28 cm with 10.4 liters. This one is 30 cm with 4.8 liters. And also, this one is 16 cm with 1.9 liters. I'm going to wash them and put them in my kitchen. So, I have researched that these are all dishwasher free. Pero, if you are still going to put this in a dishwasher, magdadal yung finish niya. But the functionality itself, hindi. It doesn't affect how it's cooking or whatever. For the meantime, as a first time lang naman, I am going to put them in a dishwasher para ma-wash lang to. And I'm not going to put them in a high setting, parang low lang, just to give it a quick wash. Yan, box lang natin to. This is from Rat and Boa. Dumating siya today. Otherwise, gagamitin ko din siya this week. So, these are dresses. These are maxi dresses that I got from them. Uy, ang ganda nito, guys. Oh, I love this. Ang haba. Floor length siya. Lagpas pa talaga. The material is like this one. It's like embossed velvet. Something like that. And also, bumili lang ako kasi nag-sale sila. Otherwise, hindi ko to bibili for full price. Yung isa naman is parang ganito lang. Wow! Same lang ng una. Floor length din to. But this one is almost like a see-through. Super love it. Good morning! Actually, hapon na. So, good afternoon na. Late akong nagising. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook chicken veggie soup for today. Yan yung uulamin namin today and tomorrow. F1 ngayon. So, may nangyari ngayon sa Melbourne. I just wanted to mention that one is that what I love about Melbourne is dito lahat nangyayari. F1, Melbourne Cup, Australian Open, especially in March, ang dami-daming nangyayari. That's what I love about Melbourne. This particular month, there's so much events that are going on. For that, I'm really happy being in Melbourne. So, let's do the chicken veggie soup. Music!
Minutes, starting now.
Masarap to pag umuulan. But since I haven't cooked it for long, I would like to make it today. Actually, dinunhan ko rin yung kapitbahay namin. Kasi, madalas, nagluluto talaga siya at binibigyan niya talaga kami. So, I wanted to return the favor this time. Kung mapapansin nyo, ako lang. Kasi most of the time, pag pang umaga si John, hindi na kami nagkakalios. Nagsasalitan lang kami. Dumarating siya, ako naman paalis. Kasi after nito, maliligo na ako. And John would arrive and he would eat dinner. So that's why. If you want to make this one, I'm going to put it down below sa link section. So that you can cook it for yourself too. Hello, it's Sunday morning. Supposed to be. It is our anniversary kasi kinasal kami March 8 and March 8 today. But I have work kasi still F1 ngayon until tomorrow, Monday. I was working from Thursday or Wednesday to Sunday. Hello kayo na. Normally, I don't work that long. Yung schedule ko talaga is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But this time, very busy sa work namin. I had to get some extra shift. Today, wala kaming gagawin ni John. Tomorrow pa. But tomorrow, we're gonna have dinner in the city. John was so scared because he cannot give me his present kasi daw wala siya dito nung dineliver. Andun siya ngayon sa parcel collection. Pero hindi niya makuha-kuha kasi kahapon siya dineliver sana or Friday siya dineliver sana pero wala nga siya. Tapos Saturday, he went attend his race course because meron kaming kabayo doon. We were one of the owners. Isasama niya sana ako pero I couldn't go because I'm still sleeping due to work. Hindi niya makuha-kuha yung gift niya sa akin sa parcel collection. At ngayon naman, Sunday, hindi na talaga. Tomorrow din, hindi na talaga kasi holiday din. I said, it's okay, okay lang sa akin. I even didn't decide what I'm going to wear or, you know, those girly stuff. I haven't gone that far to think what I'm going to do tomorrow. Kasi gusto ko lang yung work matapos. Ang sarap talaga ng matcha na to, guys. It's the Ocha no Kanbayashi. Kung makikita niyo sa website nila, I think I'm going to pop it here. Ang dami-daming matcha that are similar to my matcha. Pero yung pipiliin nyo is, I think, 117 per 30 gram. Yun talaga, ang lakas ng umami niya. And itong website na to, it's not advertised in Australia. My God, nakakaloka. I've been looking for it for a very long time until such time na nakita ko yung leaflets with the matcha. Nung binuksan ko siya for the very first time, nakita ko na may website sila doon. You can email us or fax us a number. Tapos in-email ko sila kasi gusto kong kumuha ng other tatlo. Meron pa naman akong isa dyan, pero gusto ko lang kumuha ng other tatlo para may stock ako. Kasi ganun ko talaga siya kagusto, guys. I've tried so many matcha now. Nung nakita ko yung leaflets na yun at my email doon, nag-reply sila na you can look and order in this website. Again, dito niyo makikita sa website na to. Anyway, I'm going to finish this matcha. Oh yes, magluluto ako ngayon. I don't know if I wanted to cook. Oh my God. It's our 4th wedding anniversary, babe. Can you feel that one?
There's
Mmm. Thank you. Maayong buntag. Second. It is Monday. I am just going to pick up yung regalo ni John. Kasi andun siya ngayon sa parcel collection. Medyo malayo yun. Kaya ako na lang yung nag-pick up today. Wala kaming trabaho ngayon because it's a holiday today until Thursday. Hindi ako magtatrabaho kasi I've been working since Wednesday at natapos siya ng Sunday. Later, around 5:30 or 5 p.m., we are going to go to the city to celebrate our anniversary. Kasi dapat kahapon, but I was still working. So, hindi na na-celebrate. Na-celebrate namin siya, konti lang. But for me, okay lang naman siya. Anyway, yung parcel collection, medyo malayo sa amin. Naglagay din sila ng depot when people are not in their homes. Pwedeng ilagay doon sa depot na yun, which is very close to my house. But, if it's very important, I think we should go here to pick it up. I think magta-travel pa ako ng 10 minutes. 10 minutes or 11 minutes. So, ganun siya kalayo. I just wish na may parcel collection din doon sa amin. Hindi na kami kailangan pumunta dito kasi it really bothers us. You know, taking time to pick it up, travel around 12 or 11 minutes. Papunta pa lang yun. Di ba time consuming yun? Eto na siya. Buksan lang natin. Ayan. So, ito na, guys. Under ko muna kasi mainit. Actually, this gift, sabi ni John, kesa naman daw, pagregalo siya, hindi ko man magustuhan, at saka ibalik ko, pinapili niya na lang ako. So, ito yung pinili ko. Gentle Monster na glasses. Meron akong black nito. I wanted to have another version. Ayan. Ito na siya. Meron din siyang care card. Sa Desa set. Ito na, guys. And I got the Her T1. Kasi ito talaga yung bagay sa frame ng face ko, guys. Super cute! New hair pala to. So, I don't know the difference between the old version and the new version pa. Ganda. Tama nga naman. Kesa naman, ibalik ko, diba? Tsaka, kung hindi ko man siya magustuhan. Kanina talaga ng asawa ko. Anyway, uwi na muna tayo because I still have to do some chores in the house. And later, punta na tayo ng city and celebrate our anniversary.